Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh Online Edition, from 1 to 5 February 2020. Allah, featuring the industry's first rake unit for paddy pre-cleaning.
Expansion of carrot portfolio up to 84,000 knots locking force.
Zerv is proud to announce, meet with digital age of after sales, remote control power.
Pablo A. Fernandez Mariana, joined Buehler Singapore as the head of grain storage business for Asia and Oceania.
Argil announced a significant investment in 7 tour partners Health for Life Capital 2 Fund.
Sime Darby Plantation posts Q3 profit in Malaysia, says demand for palm will increase in 2021.
UK will allow large business events up to 4,000 capacities from December.
New York cocoa hit a 9-month high, gains sugar and coffee.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
And Miltech Istanbul, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.